Today we're going to show you how to create a website directly from your phone. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or just someone looking to create a personal website, this tutorial will break it down and make it super easy to do on your own. So let's dive right in here. The hosting service we're going to be using today is one of our favorites, and it's called Hostinger. Hostinger has this amazingly intuitive AI builder, and it's a complete game changer. So stick around because you're going to want to hear all about it. First, let's start off with why Hostinger's AI website builder is a game changer in the industry. The basics of this is that the tool uses artificial intelligence to simplify the website creation process. You don't need any coding or design skills at all. And that's because the AI does most of the heavy lifting for you. Okay, without any further ado, go ahead and click on that link down below in the description, and that's going to bring you to Hostinger. Obviously, make sure that you do this on your phone. That's where we're going to be doing the entire setup process. Once you've clicked on that link down below in the description on your phone, it should bring you to a page that looks similar to this. Now you'll see that with our special link, you get up to 75% off your web hosting. Now Hostinger comes with 24/7 customer support, a free domain, free website migration, and for only $2.99 per month, which is a great deal. You also get 2 months free with this, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee on all of their plans, which we're going to show you here in a second. If we go ahead and scroll down a little bit further, we can go ahead and choose the perfect plan for us. It starts us off here with the most popular plan, and then there's the premium plan over here to the left, and then there's also the cloud startup plan to the right. And then this popular plan is just called the business plan. So let's take a look at the premium plan first and some of its features. As you can see, the premium plan is 75% off with our special link. It's normally $11.99 per month, but if you lock in for 48 months, it's only $2.99 per month with 2 months free. And this plan comes with 100 websites, 25,000 visits monthly, 100 gigs of SSD storage, 400,000 files and directories, pre-built templates, free automatic website migration, unlimited free SSL, a free email, weekly backups, some WordPress functionality, unlimited bandwidth, and a free domain valued at $9.99. Let's go ahead and take a look at the business plan now. Now we're saving 71% on this plan with our special link because it's normally $13.99 per month. But with our link, it's $3.99 per month if you lock in for a 48-month term, and that's with 2 free months. And lastly, the cloud startup plan, which we're saving 68% off with our special link. It's normally $24 per month, but with our link, it's $7.99 per month for that 48-month term with 2 months free. All right, now that we've reviewed that, let's go ahead and choose the business plan here for the sake of this video, because that's going to give us the most AI functionality with the website builder. So when you're ready to select, go ahead and click choose plan. Now we have to choose a hosting period, and you'll see that it's automatically set to 48 months because that's going to get you the best deal. You'll see that when we put it to this 1 month, it's $13.99 per month, which is pretty expensive for 1 month. So if you lock in for at least 12 months, you'll get the rate down to $3.99 per month, which is still a really great deal. Once we're finished with that and we've selected the period that we want, let's go ahead and click continue. Now we have to create an account. If you don't have one already, let's just go ahead and do that now. And once we've entered our account information there, it's going to bring us to the next page here where we can enter our billing address. And once we've entered all that information and it looks good, we can go ahead and click continue. Now it's going to ask us about payment. Let's just go ahead and continue with credit card here. All right, before you click submit secure payment, go down to the bottom to order summary and click on this arrow here at the bottom. Here you're going to be able to review your entire order, and the most important thing is that you're going to enter your coupon code here at the bottom left-hand corner. If you use the coupon code MyFirstWebsite, you're going to get an additional $4.79 off, bringing your entire total for a whole year of web hosting to $43.09, which is an insane deal. All right, now that we've taken a look at that and we're ready to purchase our hosting plan, let's go ahead and click submit secure payment. Now there's a couple more steps once you've submitted your payment that you're going to have to do. We already have an account, and the steps are going to look a little bit different on our screen, but I'll walk you through them here quickly. The first thing it's going to bring you to is a start now page. Go ahead and click on start now. Then you're going to go to create new website. After that, instead of continuing with WordPress, which should be the first option, go down to the second option and continue with Hostinger's AI website builder. Next, you're going to have to choose a domain name, or you have to prove that you already have purchased one. So go ahead and do that and pick the domain for your website. Now, once you've selected your domain name, it should bring you to the Hostinger AI website builder that looks like this. And at the top, it says, let AI create a website for you. So the first thing we have to do is to select our website type. For the sake of this video, let's just say that we're doing a blog. Now we have to enter the brand name. So we'll just go ahead and say my first website. Next is the most important part, and that is the description of your website. You want to give the AI as much information about your brand as possible so it can build out the best looking website on the first try. Now, if we want to personalize the settings even further, let's go ahead and click personalize settings, and we can either say surprise me with the color scheme, or you can actually choose the color palette here. For the sake of this video, let's just say surprise me, but go ahead and change that if that's something that you want to change. Now here's the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and click click create a website and see what it makes us. All right, now let's take a look at our website, and it actually looks like it's created some stock video footage for us in the background, which is pretty cool. Now the website logo is obviously not the best. I'll show you how to change that in a second here. As we scroll down the website, it says launch your first website today, empowering you with resources to grow your blog effectively and attract more visitors. That's great. And then it has 4.9 out of 5 stars. It has some of the blog posts that we have already posted. It has what our team looks like, how many people, the services that we offer, SEO techniques, and a form to contact us. Actually, this looks pretty good. It also has buttons here at the bottom for our socials and another way to contact us. Let's see some of the other tabs that it created. If we click in the top right-hand corner on these 3 bars, we can see the blog, which looks great as well, another get in touch page, and then the resources, which looks very similar. Obviously, we're going to have to change all of this around, and we'll show you how to do that a little bit here in a second, but this looks pretty good to start out. Now, you can always go back to the AI form and write everything over again if it didn't get it right the first time. Maybe play around with it a couple times if you don't like the first version that it gave you. Okay, now that we've done that, let's go back to the home page, and we're going to show you how to edit the site. So let's go ahead and click on the top right-hand corner here to edit the site. So let's go ahead and click edit site again, and that will bring us to the editing of our website. So the first thing that you can do is to change the logo. Let's go ahead and just click once on the logo in the top right-hand corner. That will select it. And then if we click another time, that will bring up the information that we can use to change the logo. So you can play around with the layout here and do different spacing. And you can also change some of the elements. On the logo page, this is where you can replace the image, or you can use AI to create a unique logo. You can also change the width here. In terms of style, you can do normal or you can do hover. You can make the header transparent. There's a bunch of different things you can do with the text here and editing styles as well. Just go ahead and click on that, and you can change the different paragraphs and links and the size and weight of everything. Now, to edit anything on the front page here, all you have to do is double click, and that will bring up the editor. So now I can just change our logo from launch your first website today to maybe launch and grow. So let's say we want to say launch and grow. We just type that in really easy, and then we're done. This button here looks really good. Let's go ahead and double click on that. We can now link this to a specific web address, or we can link it to another page on our site. You can also do phone number, a file download, a different section. There's a bunch of functionality here, and it's very, very intuitive to use. If we keep scrolling down, we can go ahead and edit this post. You'll see that that pops up here, and all we have to do is click edit post, and then we can change anything on the post header, in the section, anything in the bottom footer here as well. And if you want to go back to something on the previous page, go ahead and use the top right-hand bar to go home, blog, or the other tabs that you might have. All right, so now that we've done that, let's go ahead and look at some of the features in the top left-hand corner here. This is where you can access your other websites. You can manage this website, you can manage a store, you can create a new website, or you can chat with Hostinger. Now in the bottom here, you'll see on the bottom left-hand corner, you have this settings icon. This is where you can change some of the section settings like the layout, the background color, image, and video. And then there's also this tab for anchor. If we scroll down, you can change the overlay capacity. There's a lot of different things that you can do with the settings here. Now this button next to it is a duplicate button. So whatever section you are on, if you just press that duplicate button, it's going to duplicate that section over. So you'll see that we have it twice now. You can also use the up and down to go up and down between the different sections. And then the buttons on the right-hand side here, these 3 buttons, you can copy the section, you can paste the section, or delete a section. So let's just go ahead and delete this section. And then there we go. If we want to go back and we don't want to delete that video, that stock footage that it had, we can just press this back button here. And then boom, it's right back to normal. A couple last features here before we let you go. As we said, there's the back and there's the redo and undo buttons here on the top bar. There's also this eye, which allows you to preview the site before you go live with it. And then there's also the globe here, which is the coming soon mode. And you can let users know that this is all coming soon. Basically, they'll just see some text on the site when you go to it that says coming soon. And you can edit the coming soon page by clicking right here. The last thing here is go live. Now you want to do this at the very end. We're not ready to do that yet. I have one more thing to show you, and then you can click go live. So let's go ahead and go to the bottom here and see this grid panel. Once we've done that, this is where most of the functionality of the AI website builder is. So you can add elements. Now this brings us to the elements. We can add a text, a button, we can add images, galleries, videos, a bunch of different options here, even Instagram feed. There's so much functionality with these buttons. You can also add sections here, and that's just going to add another section on your homepage. And then here you can change the pages and navigation. You can move these. So let's say the home is below the blog. Obviously you want the home first, but let's say we wanted to indent this and put the resources underneath blog. We can do that, which means it's just going to be on the blog page. Let's go ahead and put that back now. And then there's also a chance here to edit the coming soon page. Let's go see the other options here again. All right, the AI tools is something that's really unique, and that's why we got this business plan actually, is because the premium plan didn't include some of these. So there's a bunch of tools here. We won't go over all of them, but there's the AI image generator, the AI writer, the AI page generator, the AI section generator, the AI blog generator, AI heat map, AI SEO assistant, and AI logo maker. For the online store, it's the same idea. You have to add a store here, and it's a little bit more complicated because you're selling a physical product, but yeah, We won't go into too much depth on that right now. Then there's also analytics, which we don't have any data available yet because we haven't sold anything or we don't have any views. So that is there too if you need it. That's pretty much all the functionality you need to know about creating the website from Hostinger's AI website builder on your phone. So once you're ready to launch your website, go ahead and click go live in that top right hand corner, and we'll see that it gives us a little congratulations and that our site is now live, and we can go ahead and press view site to see our site. So I'd say it looks pretty good. Obviously there's a lot more that you can do and edit, but we'll link to all the other videos that we have on the channel that will help you out with that. So there you have it, a beautiful and simple website created with your phone using Hostinger's AI website builder. It's really simple. It just took a few minutes, and there's really no excuse to not have a website in 2024. Lastly, we want to leave you with a few final tips before we end off the video here. Make sure to regularly update your content to engage your audience and drive new traffic to your site. You want to make sure that you're using relevant keywords to the content on your site, and we have a bunch of other videos on the channel that help you with keyword research and SEO. So be sure to leave those linked down below in the description. And the last thing we have here is engage with your audience, reply to the comments on your blogs, and really create that community that is going to last a long time. So that is all we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching the video. We hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, please leave us a like, subscribe, and comment down below. This channel is dedicated to helping you start and grow your first website, and we make a bunch of videos like this, so be sure to not miss any in the future. And lastly, we'll leave that link to Hostinger down below in the description of the video, along with all the other resources that we talked about in today's video. Now, if you do use our link to Hostinger, not only will you get that really special discount pricing, but we also do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep creating free videos like this for you, so thank you so much in advance for helping us out there. With that said, we wish you the best on your website building journey. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.